Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about NIO and how to trade NIO right when the earnings call is right around the corner. So stick around because I think I've got something valuable for you today. So welcome back. Let's get right into NIO stock. Actually, as you can see in the last 5 days, if you look at the 1 month chart, last I would say 7 to 8 working days, NIO was totally in green. So it started from 15th of April onward. You can see 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, and it went up to April 26th. So basically 7 working days consistently NIO was green, and then from that point onward the last 2 to 3 days NIO is down again. So this is all, in my personal opinion, because of Tesla. So Tesla's earnings were on 26th. You can see on 26th NIO is trading at 42.62, and then boom, on 27, 28, and 29, NIO is down, affected mainly by Tesla because Tesla's earning was somehow sideways. And this generally happens with the leading company being the main influencer, or the other companies or the other follow-up companies such as NIO, being, in my personal opinion, being the second biggest electric vehicle company all around the world, and by far the main king of electric vehicles in China. So how do you trade NIO right now when the earnings call is right around the corner, and there is this rumor for almost sounds like it looks like it's for ages now that they have these semiconductor chips issues. NIO is also having this issue. That's why they had to close few working days in April, as well as in March their production. It was nice, the distribution was good. It's good for the earnings days then. So I would be personally dollar cost averaging, because if you look at what NIO has got in store in the next let's say 5 to 10 years, and in particular for the next two years. So they are already talking about like bringing out the 87 model, which recently in this Shanghai auto show, Li Auto CEO spoke about being one of the best electric vehicle, or the finest electric vehicle out there. It's also been known to have been already massively pre-ordered. That was also last month declared by the CEO of NIO itself. So alongside that, we already know that NIO is dominating China. It's working together with Chinese government, together with Ford. They're working on this charging station in reverse manner. So both of them are gonna take advantage of each other's capabilities and their stations. The third and the most important thing is lots and lots of funds are adding NIO into their funds. This is really good for the company. Big analysts are speaking about it and pricing it like in the range of 60 to 70 by end of this year, and by end of 2023 being a stock with literally 80 to 90 cent per share gains. That's like literally right now Tesla at this stage, which is literally dominating the EV market and is having such a boom in the EV. Right now Tesla is earning per share around about 90 cents. So I think I'm not entirely sure with the exact number, but before this earning it was 70. It was projected to release per share 79 cents of gain. But if NIO by end of 2023 can obtain around about 80 to 90 cents per share, again, that's gonna be massive for the company. They won't have to dilute their shares to raise funds. And that will be very, very advantageous for the company. Alongside that, NIO is already talking about those autonomous driving subscription models. That's going to be huge for the company. battery as a service in 2022. This is going to be massive for the company as well. They have so many catalysts coming. It's crazy where this company will be in the next 5 to 10 years overall. So based on all those catalysts, I would not be worried if the earnings are slightly sideways. I personally think they're going to beat their earnings. I think they will do great. But in case, just like with Tesla, what happened, if the same happens with NIO, the earnings are not perfect. I don't expect them to be perfect. I expect them to just beat them moderately. But in case they don't beat their earnings, I would just wait for the stock to slightly have some sort of correction, it dip down, and then I will load up on NIO. My main target for NIO is 5 to 10 years. I think this company is going to be easily like Amazon, Google, one of Apple, for instance, one of those giant companies, just like Tesla. Tesla right now is earning around, just like I mentioned, 90 cents per share, and look at its stock price. If the same happens with NIO, I think this company in the next 5 to 10 years will be easily touching $1,000 per share. So if we look at the analyst point of view on TipRank, they're rating NIO as moderate buy with 59, almost $60 stock in the next 12 months with 52-53% upside potential. Right now NIO is trading at 39. Its base overall, I would say, is around this 35. If you look at the 6-month chart, NIO, I don't remember going it down beyond 35. You can see it in all those three dips that it had in the last few months or few weeks, so to say. Overall here, if you look at it, it was never, so from November 6th onward till now, it never went beyond 35. So I will be literally looking at it. Anytime it touched 37, 36, I would load up on NIO. I think this is a fair price for it, but I would not be surprised if the earnings are good, which I expect them to be, that there is 3 to 5% rise in the price, or then that the stock might be in the next 2 to 3 working days, or let's say market days, green. So that is my point of view on trading NIO right when the earning call is at the corner. Put it in the comment if you have your own suggestion. I will be happy to see that. And please, if you found this video of value, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.